In today's Wix tutorial, I will show you step by step how to add a new page to your Wix website. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now just one quick note, if this video does help you out, please let me know by leaving a like and also comment something like it worked for me or it works, so that I know this tutorial is still up to date. Now with that being said, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to go over to your Wix editor, and then you want to go over to the page selector and click on Manage Pages. You'll then see the site pages, and now you simply want to go over to Add Page. It's really that simple. If you'd like to add a blank page, just click here. Or if you'd like to use a template, for example any of the About templates or the Services templates, make sure you go over to all of the templates and then select the template you'd like to use. Now let's say I would like to add a project page to my website. I would click on Projects and then go over to any of the templates. I like this one, so I'm going to click on Add to Page, and now Wix is adding your page to the website. And that's how to add a page to your Wix website. I hope this video was helpful. If so, let me know by leaving a like and also comment something like it worked for me. And if you'd like to see more straightforward tutorials about how to customize your Wix website, make sure to hit that subscribe icon.